I'm already exhausted, but let's put some exhaust on this car. I was gonna wait till I get the clutch, but it's delayed, so it could be next week. I'm gonna do something today, so let's get started. I don't like this slab too much, so I definitely don't want to jack it way up, but I got it jacked up. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would please like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. I'm doing a supporter t-shirt or supporter hoodie on my merch site for the project specifically. There's two different ones. There's one that's regular price, and then there's a supporter one. The supporter one, you're getting something physical, as well as when I do wrap the car, you will get your name put on the car somewhere in the livery style wrap that will be done. It's probably going to be sometime next year before that's actually done, but yeah, that's the plan, is to do a livery style wrap, and I think it'll be really cool. You get your name on the car and you support the project, and you physically get something too, which is really cool. But yeah, the link will be up in the eye for that. And if you have any comments or suggestions, or you like it or don't like it, all the same, engagement is engagement, and I do appreciate all of it. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. And I know it's going to be weird because I'm looking here to see the video and the camera's there. But thanks. Y'all have a good one.